Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the factors and multiples lesson, isn't it? Now coming to the worksheet 7. For each of the following pairs of numbers, verify that the product of the numbers is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. So in the properties and example, we have understood HCF into LCM is equal to the product of the numbers. So you have to verify that property. Okay, first we will find out the HCF and LCM of the given numbers. So first we will write 10 and 15, isn't it? Take the HCF, 10 ones are 10, 5 remain, 10 should be written inside, that is the dividend, 5 twos are 10, you got 0 remainder. So which is the HCF? It is 5. So you write HCF of 10 and 15 is equal to 5. Now LCM, how to find? The common division method, isn't it? This is a continued division method for HCF, and for LCM it is the common division method. Okay, start with the 2 5s are 10. Now 15 as it is. Now next is 3, 5, 3 5s are 15. Now 5, it is a 1, 1. So it will be how much? LCM is equal to 10 and 15 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So you got HCF and LCM. Now use the property. You have to verify the property. What is the property? The HCF into LCM is equal to the product of the two numbers. Right, product of the numbers is equal to 10 into 15. 15 tens are 150. Product of their HCF and LCM. That is, HCF is 5 and LCM is 30. 5 3s are 15 and 0. So therefore, product of numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. Hence, verify. जो प्रॉपर्टी है मालूम है हमें, लेकिन हमें वेरीफाई करके दिखाने का है. Now coming to the next number 35 and 40. So 35 is a smaller number. So 35, 40, ones are 35, ones are 35, 5 remain. 35, 7s are 0. So you got HCF to be 5 and LCM 35 and 40. Even number, इसके लिए 2 से start करो. 35 as it is, 8 20s are again 2, 35 as it is, 2 tens are 20, 2, 35 as it is, 2 fives are 10, now 5, 3 से नहीं जाएगा, 5 sevens are 35, 5 ones are, now 7 ones are. So you got LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. तो ये 2 5 एक साथ ले लो, 2 2 4, 4 7 28 into 10, 280. ओके, HCF LCM मिला. तो अभी क्या बोले हैं, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स. नंबर्स क्या क्या है, 35 into 40, 0 लिखो, 4 5 20, 4 3 12, 13 14. Now product of HCF and LCM. HCF मिला 5, LCM मिला 280, 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14. Okay, now we will write these are same. So product of numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. Hence verify. ठीक है, so this was question number 1, A and B. Now coming to the question number 1C. Same method. Okay, find out the HCF first, HCF, then LCM. Now HCF, 32 is smaller, 48. Okay, 32 ones are 32, 8 minus 2 6, 4 minus 3 1. So 32 you take it inside, 16 twos are 32. So HCF क्या मिला आपको, 16 है ना. तो इधर लिखो HCF is equal to 16. अभी LCM फाइंड आउट करो, 32 and 48. दोनों even number, so start with 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 remains, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, again 2 8s are 16, 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, again 2 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, now 3 1s are 1. So LCM is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times 2 1 2 3 4 5 or 1 time 3. So multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 8s are 96. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स. नंबर्स क्या क्या है, 32 इंटू 48. मल्टीप्लाई करो, मल्टीप्लाई करके देखेंगे तो इट विल बी 1536. रफ वर्क में मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो. फिर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ HCF and LCM. HCF कितना मिला 16, LCM मिला 96. ये भी आएगा मल्टीप्लाई करने के वक्त 1536. Therefore, product of two numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. Hence, verify. Is it okay? Hope you understood this first question. So you have to find out HCF and LCM and then multiply both and see the product of two numbers is also equal to the product of HCF and LCM. Now coming to the second question, find HCF and LCM by using the property in the question number 1. So in the question number 1, we have understood the property, isn't it? Property is this. So product of two numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. तो उसको यूज करके हमें HCF and LCM फाइंड आउट करने का. एग्जाम्पल में हम ऑलरेडी किए हैं. तो पहले 27 and 90. तो पहले HCF फाइंड आउट करो. So 27 and 90. 27 how much za? 2 4 za 8. 27 4 4 7 za 28. 4 2 za 8 9 10. बड़ा हो गया. So 27 3 za 3 7 za 21. 3 2 za 6 7 8. So ये नहीं डाल सकते, ये डाल सकते हैं. So it is 3 za 81. कितना बचा हमें? It is 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 8 is 0. So 27. 9 how much is 27? 9 3 is 27. हो गया. अभी HCF कितना मिला हमें? 9. Isn't it? So अभी LCM हमें प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके करने का है. HCF is equal to 9. Now use the form property HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Now HCF कितना मिला? 9. LCM मालूम नहीं है. Product of two numbers. One number is 27 into 90. So LCM is equal to 27 into 90 upon 9. आगे राइट हैंड साइड में आने के वक्त डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा. 9 1 जा 9 10 जा. So 27 10 जा 270. So अभी आंसर है HCF is 9 and LCM is 270. Is it clear? Using the property, you have to find out the HCF and LCM. So that was question number 2A. Now coming to question number 2B. Okay. Same method. First find out the, which one? The HCF, and then find out the LCM. Okay. So HCF बड़ा नंबर है, इसके लिए हम इधर से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे. 145 and 232 becomes the dividend, isn't it? So 1 only one time it will be 1 4 5. 2 minus 5 means 12 minus 5 is 7. Now here it is 2. 2 minus 4, that is 12 minus 4 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. Take 145 inside. Now 87 and 145 only one time, because 8 2s are 16. It is bigger. So 87. Now 5 minus 7. 5, 6, 7, that is 8. 3 is remaining. 13 minus 8 is 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 remain. Okay, now again 87 only one time. 58. Now 7 minus 8 means 17 minus 8 is 9. Now here it is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now 58. 29 2s are 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Okay. It's a lengthy sum, isn't it? So you got HCF is equal to how much? 29. Now what is the property? HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. HCF you got 29. LCM is equal to two numbers 145 into 232. Now LCM is equal to 145 into 232 upon 29. Now 29 is a prime number. अभी चेक करो 9 के टेबल में 9 5s are 45, isn't it? इधर भी 5 है. ट्राई 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 29 5s are 5 9s are 45. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14. So 29 1s are 29 5s are. अभी मल्टीप्लाई करो. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. 5 2s are 10 11. So you got LCM is equal to 1160. So answer, I'll write the answer here. HCF is equal to 29 and LCM is equal to 1160. Is it clear? थोड़े बड़े नंबर्स देंगे, थोड़ा केयरफुली करने का है, ठीक है. नाउ अगेन दिस इज अ बिग नंबर. सो HCF के लिए 117 221 only one time 117. Now 11 minus 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 4 remain. Now this is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 117 becomes the dividend, है ना. तो ये अंदर जाएगा डिविडेंड. फिर से डिवाइड करो 1 टाइम 104. अभी 7 minus 4 that is 3. 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 1 0. Now it is a 104. Okay, now 13 बड़ा नंबर है. 9 से ट्राई करो. 13 into 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 1s are 9. 10 11. बड़ा हो गया तो ये नहीं हो सकता है. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 1s are 8. 9 10. एग्जैक्ट आया. So it is 8s are 104 है ना। 13 का टेबल मालूम है तो भी चलेगा, otherwise you have to do like this. So HCF you got 13. Now what we have to do? HCF is equal to 13 HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So HCF 13, LCM you have to find out product of two numbers 117 into 221. So LCM is equal to 117 into 221 upon 13. 13 के टेबल में 117, 13 1 13 9 इधर आया है ना। 9 1 9, 9 2 18, 1 9 2 18 plus 1 19. So 1989. So right answer HCF is equal to 13 and LCM is equal to 1989. Hope you understood these two sums. So that was the first sum. You have to show that HCF into LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. In the second sum, you have to use that property and find out the HCF and LCM. तो इसके लिए पहले HCF कंटिन्यूड डिवीजन मेथड में करो, फिर LCM को ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके फाइंड होगा। ठीक है, we have completed the question number 1 and 2 of worksheet 7. Hope everyone understood. Bye. Thank you.